Chapter 19, Part 7, Translation. Il faudra étudier tous les verbes. So here we have falloir in the future. It will be necessary to study all the verbs. I'm trying to send you messages for the exam. Il a fallu apprendre les verbes irréguliers. So here we've got a fallu, that's the passé composé of falloir. It was necessary to learn the irregular verbs. Il faudrait annuler le pique-nique s'il neigeait. So here's the conditional. It would be necessary to cancel the picnic if it were snowing, or if it were to snow. Number 4, il faut qu'il pleure. So here we've got two impersonal expressions together. It's necessary that it rains, or we could just say it has to rain. Il paraît qu'il pleure. Again, two impersonal expressions together. It appears that it's raining. Number 6, il fallait un miracle pour arriver jusqu'ici. Il fallait is the imperfect. Il fallait un miracle. A miracle was necessary to get to this point, for arriving up to here. So a miracle was necessary to get to this point. Illrest un peu d'espoir. So here we've got an Illrest expression. There is still a little hope left. Now this is very different than if we didn't have the word un. If it was il reste peu d'espoir, that would mean there's no hope left. But il reste un peu d'espoir means there's still a little hope left. And finally, we have finished chapter 19. This was a long one.